Did you know that you could have acid reflux without ever feeling heartburn? Millions of people experience a hidden condition called silent acid reflux, and many don't even know they have it. It can affect your throat, voice, sleep, and even your breathing without causing the classic burning sensation in your chest. Hello and welcome. Today we're uncovering the truth about silent acid reflux, also known as Laryngopharyngeal Reflux or LPR. Silent acid reflux occurs when stomach acid travels all the way up into the throat and voice box. Unlike traditional acid reflux, it often doesn't cause heartburn, which makes it much harder to identify. Common symptoms include constant throat clearing, a feeling of something stuck in your throat, chronic cough, hoarseness or voice changes, frequent sore throat, bad breath, difficulty swallowing. If left untreated, silent acid reflux can irritate and damage the delicate tissues of the throat and voice box. Over time, it may contribute to chronic inflammation, sleep disturbances, voice problems, and reduced quality of life. Several factors can increase your risk, including overeating, eating late at night, obesity, smoking, alcohol consumption, and certain foods such as spicy, fatty, or highly acidic meals. The good news is that many people improve their symptoms through lifestyle changes. Eating smaller meals, avoiding food before bedtime, maintaining a healthy weight, and reducing trigger foods can make a significant difference. Silent acid reflux may be quiet, but its impact can be significant. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with someone who might be struggling with unexplained throat issues. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.